Now, when you're working with the date and time, you're not restricted to the time zone that you're currently in. Typinator can help you print out the time in other zones quickly and easily. I'm going to create a new abbreviation here, but as a lot of the information that I need for it is already in this one, I'm going to save a bit of time by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Of course, I've got a warning because there are two expansions now with the same abbreviation, so I'll change this, and this is going to be X John DTS, because I want to know the time zone where my colleague John lives. Now, to configure this expansion, I'll click at the beginning here, come to Smart Element once more, and then down here, I'll click on Time Zone. All I have to do now is choose the time zone that I want. So John is in Australia, and he lives in Adelaide. Now I'll click OK. And we can see there the syntax if I was to just type that in. As it's highlighted, if I wanted to change this time zone, I could click on this button and find myself a different one from here. But I'm good. This is what I want, so let's run it. I'll type in X John DTS, and it tells me that it's 9 minutes past 3 in the morning at the moment in Adelaide. And it's good having the date there still because I can see that's tomorrow. And as far as I'm concerned, it's the 5th of February as I record this. So just printing that out is okay, but it doesn't have much context at the moment. So what I've done here is after the time zone is set to Adelaide time, I've added some text in there with the date and timestamp after. Now, when I run that same abbreviation, we can see that makes a little bit more sense. And it gives me an idea now as to how we can really make good use of this. So what we have here is a new abbreviation, and the expansion down here lists all of the offices that I might connect with during the day and their associated time zones. So if I'm ever unsure what time it is in those offices, I can simply type in my new abbreviation. I don't need to think about it anymore. Using Typinator expansions to print out time zones can be extremely useful.